breathe some fresh Mediterranean air into that old tile floor with this Moroccan traditional tin tile stencil from
designerstencils.com.
After sanding and thoroughly cleaning your tiles, give them a few coats of an outdoor primer paint combination. Next, use frog tape painter's tape to mask the edges of the wall around your floor. Spray the backside of your stencil with repositionable spray adhesive and wait about 30 seconds before positioning. Add some pieces of frog tape for extra security. Shake your bottle of black Americana acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. Evenly soak the high-density foam roller with paint. Then remove excess paint by rolling it on a stack of paper towels. The roller should be barely wet. Too much paint will result in bleeding underneath the stencil. Apply the paint through the stencil using numerous light coats. Rolling the brush in one direction only will help reduce blotchiness. Once finished, simply lift the stencil and move it to the next tile. Save the tiles adjacent to the wall for last. Once all the middle tiles are completed, take a pair of scissors and trim one side of the stencil where the pattern ends. Place the stencil on the tile with the trim edge up against the wall. For the edge where the roller cannot reach, use a stencil brush to lightly fill in the pattern. As with the roller, remove excess paint from the brush by swirling it on the paper towel stack. For the corners, cut away an additional side of the stencil, being careful to leave any stencil breaks in place. Add some tape to any gaps between the pattern and the wall, or if necessary, to hold loose portions of the stencil in their proper location. Once finished, lift the stencil and peel away the masking tape to reveal your stylish new Moroccan tin tile floor. If desired, add a few coats of Americana acrylic sealer to protect your new floor from wear and tear.
For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.